Hello guys, welcome to my new video. Today's video contains the best Amazon new home gadgets this month that will amaze you. So don't skip the video and watch till the end. If you like the video, please subscribe and click the bell icon to be the first to see my new videos. Thanks, so let's start the video. Microfiber Spin Mop. Hands-free ringing. Our exclusive mop bucket design features a built-in ringer that allows for hands-free ringing, while Splash Guard keeps water splash and spray inside the bucket when ringing or when transporting the bucket from room to room. Machine washable. The Easy Ring microfiber mop head is machine washable and reusable. We recommend replacing the mop head refill every 3 months for optimal floor cleaning results. Deep cleaning microfiber. O'Cedar's Easy Ring microfiber spin mop bucket floor cleaning system uses millions of strands of advanced microfiber to effectively capture dirt and grime with just plain water, eliminating the need for harsh chemicals. Safe for all hard flooring, including finished hardwood, wood, laminate, tile, vinyl, and more. System includes Easy Ring bucket, telescopic handle that adjusts to 4.25 feet, 51 inches, and microfiber mop head. Robot vacuum. World's first water recycle system. No manual water replacement, no drainage or installation required. 3IS10 Ultra Robot Vacuum pioneered the water recycle system. It distills wastewater and captures air moisture to produce purified water, ensuring an endless supply. This eco-friendly design eliminates the need for water supply and drainage connections, allowing for flexible placement anywhere in your home. Ultra Reach Extendable Roller Mop. This self-cleaning robot vacuum mop operates at 330 RPM, boosting cleaning results by 153%. It features 12 spray holes for a steady flow of distilled water and delivers over 7 N of consistent mopping pressure. The built-in scraper keeps the roller mop spotless, while the automatic extension allows for precise cleaning along walls down to the millimeter. Steam cleaner. Chemical-free cleaning. Naturally deep clean without the use of harsh chemicals using hot, pressured steam to eliminate grease, grime, and stains from a wide range of surfaces including tile, grout, granite, laminate, appliances, grills, autos, and more. 23 accessories. Equipped for steam cleaning jobs in and around your home including a floor mop, mop pads, nylon brushes, brass brush, angled nozzle, scrub pad, scraper, squeegee, more. Conveniently store accessories on board or in included storage bag. Detailing oriented. Experience personal car detailing at home with the MC1385. Its powerful steam technology, versatile accessories, and intuitive design make it easy to target tough stains and hard-to-reach crevices, ensuring your vehicle is spotless. Night light. Motion-activated LED sensor. The LED toilet light with high-quality light sensor and motion sensor. It will automatically turn on when detects movement and stay on for 2 minutes after last movement, protecting your kids from stumbling around in the dark. Ultra water resistant and can be cleaned with most household cleaners. No more messy cleanups. It is a dream to find your way easily and safely without any worries, the choice of modern life. Creative lighting design. Choose between 8 single colors or color cycle. This toilet night lamp is going to make your toilet beautiful and easy to use at night. You can keep one color or color rotation on this bowl of light. Easy to install and clean. Operated by 3 AAA batteries, 1.5 V, battery not included, which can be easily get and change. Simple design makes it easy to clean. Steam compact iron. Anti-drip SmartStream technology. Engineered to prevent dripping by maintaining water at the proper temperature needed to generate steam. Volts, 120 V. Wattage, 1200 W. Requires AC power. Easy fill translucent water tank. 3-way auto shutoff. Get peace of mind with motion-sensitive technology that automatically shuts off the iron if left inactive on its heel, side, or sole plate. To clean iron, wipe sole plate and outer surfaces with a soft cloth dampened with water. TrueGlide non-stick sole plate. The enhanced sole plate is designed to glide smoothly across all fabric types for ease of use. Recommended for fabrics such as cotton, wool, blend, polyester, rayon, nylon, synthetic. Spray mist. This push-button mister helps moisten fabrics to tackle and smooth away deep wrinkles. Ergonomic comfort grip handle. Comfort grip handle ergonomically shaped to fit hand contours for comfort. while 360 degrees pivoting cord allows for easy maneuverability. Cleaning brush. Multifunctional crevice cleaning tools. This hard bristle crevice cleaning brush is specially designed to handle narrow spaces and corners, making it perfect for cleaning grout lines, shower door tracks, toilet seat hinges, kitchen sinks, faucets, shower walls, and window sills. 6 PAS colorful crevice brushes with a variety of vibrant bristle designs. These hard bristle cleaning brushes for matching different areas and tasks. This helps to organize the brushes effectively and prevent cross-contamination. High-quality material crafted from high-quality plastic and stainless steel. This crevice brush is sturdy, break-resistant, and long-lasting. The brush head is securely attached to a non-slip, wear-resistant handle for a comfortable grip. Space heater. ETL-certified safety. Made of V0 flame-retardant materials with multiple safety features including built-in smart tip-over protection, overheat protection, 12-hour timer, 24-hour automatic power off without interaction, V0 flame-retardant 2-prong plug, and sturdy 6 feet long flat power cord. Safe and worry-free all-day use. Safety reminder: please do not use with an extension cord. Only plug directly into the wall outlet. Fast indoor ceramic heater. Powerful 1500 WPTC ceramic heating allows this space heater to heat up in seconds, suitable for warming up spaces in the home including bedrooms, basements, garages, living rooms, and can also be used in offices, dorms, hot yoga studios, etc. Heating coverage: 200 square foot. Tower fan. Bring comfort all around. This Drio 36-inch compact tower fan can bring comfort all around due to 90-degree oscillation and high-speed, spatial cooling at up to 25 feet per second. Produced by Drio's all-in-one airflow system combines with a supercharged electric motor. This fan for bedroom enlivens every inch of air in your living space. Seamless smart integration. Use your tower fan easily with voice or access more functions like air temperature, speed settings, and modes through the Drio app. In auto mode, this floor fan senses the ambient temperature and automatically adjusts fan speeds. Customizable comfort. Featured. Easy to clean, safe to use. Removable rear grille and the impeller wheel make cleaning more accessible. Designed with fingertip pinch-proof grills, a fused plug and built-in circuit protection, this ETL-listed bladeless fan ensures safety is always prioritized. Shower squeegee. Streak-free, squeak-free. Docroc squeegee for shower glass door will effortlessly remove the water drops, soap, scum, and other sources of buildup of your shower glass door cleaner and other surfaces with just a few wipes. Getting your cleaning activities done fast and easy with no streak and squeak. Sturdy, durable. Made of 100% rust-resistant stainless steel and premium silicone blade, our shower squeegee, shower door squeegee with exquisite craft ensure the durability and long-lasting use for your daily household cleaning activities. A must-have window squeegee for window cleaning, bathroom squeegee for shower glass doors. Ergonomic design. Features an ergonomic structure and precise cut silicone blade. This shower glass squeegee car squeegee provides you a comfortable anti-slip grip to efficiently clean your tile show walls with minimum time and effort. Electric spin scrubber. Efficient cleaning home assistant. Do you often bend over or kneel on the floor to do housework? Don't be afraid. From now on, you can efficiently finish your housework in a relaxed posture with the Dovety electric cleaning brush. Dovety 2024 new upgraded pink electric spin scrubber is here to help you solve all the problems. Say goodbye to the traditional tedious cleaning. Take care of your family and let them less tired from cleaning. Dual speed for efficient cleaning. The pink shower brush set has 2 cleaning speeds. Low speed 300 RPM, high speed 500 RPM. The default speed is high when the brush is started, and long press for 2 seconds to easily switch to high speed. Allows you to choose the cleaning method that works for you, to meet your different cleaning needs and cope with different levels of stains, saving you valuable time. Smart humidifiers. Drio Smart Humidifiers for Bedroom offers precise humidity control at home. With advanced algorithm and auto mode, it senses humidity levels with twice higher precision. Intelligent ambient light keeps you informed of changes. It can be controlled via voice, Alexa or Google Assistant, or the Drio app. Easily adjust settings like mist volume, timer, and ambient lighting. Powered by Drio's dual intake design, This cool mist humidifier for large room creates a supersized mist 3 times larger than most air humidifiers, bringing faster dry air relief and helping you breathe easy and healthy. Drio Portable Humidifier features an easy top fill design. You can fill it up without flipping the tank or spilling water. Stool set. Poo leather. Thick padded foam. Made of fabric and upholstered bar chairs, has bigger size and soft padded foam. Double needle stitching PU leather for easy wipe and wear resistant. Sturdy structure. SGS certified gas pole ensures the stool is stable and not shaky. Anti-slip base prevents your bar stool from scratches and prevents harsh noises when moving. Footrest promotes good posture and relieves leg pressure. Adjustable design. 360-degree swivel and adjustable height design help you to easily access items and sit in a comfortable position. Seat height can be adjusted from 24 to 32.28. The airlift handle, allowing you to position the stool comfortably depending on how tall you are. Modern style. Liven up your space with the charming bar stool that will catch eyes with its unique stylish charm. Love this ideal bar stools for use in the kitchen or dining area, coffee shops, etc.